How to create and manage forms in Google in Microsoft Forms. Need feedback, quizzer, or quick survey? Microsoft Form helps you create beautiful form in minutes. No coding needed. Let's learn to build, share, track with responses easy. Over here you can see documents, presentation, workbook, and form. Go to Microsoft Forms. Here you can see utility form, saved, quick start, choice, text, rating, liker, or section. Which one do you want? Here you can see the option of template as well. Here you can see survey, invitation, registration. So which registration you want? Community volunteering, university course enrollment form, attendance confirmation. Which form do you want to create? Choose the template accordingly, which will make your form work easier. From invitation, are they coming, are they not? Hi T, here you can see. You don't even have to type the text. You can add more questions if you like, but you have all the details in your hand.